yes. I love it when I get goodies in the mailbox. See what we got here. He-Man strike. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready? Woo-hoo-hoo. Shh! Don't tell my wife. They were on sale. Rage Extreme 2-blade broadheads. 2.3 inches of cutting diameter. Let's see here. Got these from Midway USA. I got them for $15.99 a package. So that's a pretty good deal. That's why you guys subscribe to those sales and they bombard your ass with emails every day. We'll get y'all a field test on this here later. Alright guys, so I promised y'all a field test on these Rage broadheads. So, we all know how broadheads work. We all know that everybody's got their preferences. I mean, I don't even shoot Rages. The only reason I'm shooting these today is because they're freaking on sale for $10 a package, or $15 a package. My bad. I mean, broadhead, to me, as long as it opens and you have correct shot placement, it should be a done deal. I mean, yeah, mechanicals, they're more forgiving if you make a bad shot, but these are the Rage Extremes 2.3 inch cut. They say you're supposed to have at least 65-pound draw weight to shoot. As you can see, I'm going to be doing some field testing on these Rage broadheads, give y'all an honest, unbiased review. I am not sponsored by Rage. I'm not sponsored by anybody except for myself. I'm going to be shooting at 20 yards today. And, you know, if you're shooting at your house, use some common sense, people. I mean, don't shoot at your privacy fence facing your neighbor's house. Just use common sense when you're shooting your freaking bows. I mean, these bows are dangerous. And it's never fun when the cops have to bring you back your arrows, because I've been there before. Don't tread on me. Alright, one shot with a field tip, and then we're going to do one shot with the Rage. We'll see how they fly. Shot that one a little high. Rage Extreme from 20 yards. See how she flies. It flew pretty good. I'd have to say it flies. I mean, they say it flies like a field tip. It flies like a field tip. I'm pretty impressed with that. Tell you what, folks, I'm pretty impressed. I've shot Rages before, but dude, these fly just like field tips. As you can see, I mean, this sucker opened up. It's got the block foam all over it. I mean, that is a wicked, wicked looking arrow. I don't normally shoot these, but I think I'm going to try to shoot these at spring turkey this year. Yeah, I think that'd take a gobbler down. 2.3 inch Rage. And this is what I usually shoot. This is a Muzzy 3-blade, 100 grain. And this arrow's already been through an animal, but I mean, yeah. The Muzzies, they hit bones, and then blades get bent. Man, damn. Well, I mean, like I said, I paid $15 for a package of 3. I mean, that's cheap for broadheads. So I'm gonna try to shoot some pigs with it. We'll see how it does. I mean, they shoot good out of the old Mathews, so we'll see. Appreciate y'all watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.